Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to customize who can see your birthday on the Facebook app using your PC, especially with the latest update. It's a simple process that lets you control your privacy and decide exactly who can celebrate your special day with you online. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, navigate to the About section of your profile. Here, you'll find different categories of information about you. Scroll down or look for the Contact and Basic Info section. This is where your birthday details are stored. Now, right next to your birthday, you'll see an audience icon. This icon indicates who currently can see your birthday. Click on that icon to open the privacy options. From the list of options, select Custom. This choice allows you to tailor exactly who can view your birthday. You'll see fields where you can specify people or lists to include or exclude. For example, you can share your birthday with close friends only, hide it from coworkers, or make it visible to a specific group. After filling out these fields according to your preferences, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. Your birthday visibility settings are now customized, giving you full control over who gets to see this personal information on Facebook. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage your birthday privacy on Facebook's app on your PC. This way, you can enjoy your special day without worrying about unwanted viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to keep your social media experience safe and personalized.